Thinking Byzantine here, and today we'll be talking about Robinhood. Now, before we get into this article, I'd like to say that I am not a financial advisor or a professional. I'm just a guy on the internet with an opinion, and you should probably do your own research before making any financial decision when it comes to equities and stocks and options. Just be careful and do your own research. Now, let's jump right into this article. So we're just going to say Robinhood shares tanked as revenues falls, way short of expectations on lighter crypto trading. So the key points of Robinhood's Q3 earnings report revolves around their total transaction-based revenues only totaled at $267 million, with only $51 million coming from cryptocurrency trading, while in the last quarter, $233 million came from crypto trading. And basically, Robinhood stated that that these elements that have been dragged down Robinhood this last quarter will persist into the end of the year, which may be one of the main reasons why Robinhood stock went down around 10 percentage points. So let's just take a quick look on what they have to say. So total revenues are up 35% year over year. Total base transaction revenue is 32% up year over year. Let's see. Monthly users are up 76% year over year, but I believe they're down quarter over quarter. You'll have to check me on that. Let's see. Average revenues per user decreased $65 to $65 compared to $102 in the third quarter of 2020. I'm mainly saying that just less trading volume in general. They say crypto activity declined from the highs of the prior quarter, leading to fewer new funded accounts, and a slight decline in net cumulative funded accounts and lower revenue in the third quarter of 2021 compared with the second quarter of 2021. So let's see, what else do they have to say? They say they have 24 live support on their app, alright. Some improvements, more education content, some new features, and more opportunities for retail investors, IPO access. Okay, so lackluster quarter for them. And if you want to see the nitty-gritty details of their report, you can just go to investors.robinhood.com and you can go to their 8K to see more details. So currently Robinhood is trading at $35.44, though it's up 20 cents if you count for after hours. So like I said, around 10 percentage points down from before their earnings came about. Now, as for my opinion of Robinhood, even if they did well this quarter, I just avoiding this stock. It's just, to me, it's just a stock to watch on your watch list. It's just a spectacle, in my opinion. And for 3 reasons why I'm not invested in this stock was, one, a fundamental part of their business is being challenged and being scrutinized, and you never know what could happen in politics and this type of thing. We have Gary Gensler looking at the practice of payment for order flow. So if that were to happen, if this was banned, then Robinhood would have to rethink their business strategy, because Robinhood made their name based on offering free option trading and free buying and selling of stocks. Like, there's no fees attached to them, And if this were to be suddenly banned, then I would expect Robinhood to have to rethink their business strategy, and they may have to start charging fees for buying and selling stocks and options. Guess you can say the crypto wallet is it's a positive, but when we're going into crypto, one of my main criticisms of Robinhood as a crypto platform is their lack of cryptos that are on it. This article comes from Q1 of 2021, I believe. This is right here. So it's it comes from August 5th, 2021. So maybe outdated a few months later, but I don't think, or I haven't heard that Robinhood added any new cryptos onto their exchange. You should probably double check me on this. But based on the article, Robinhood only offers 7 cryptos currently: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, and Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision. Now, this is a pretty limited selection of cryptos, especially compared to their other competitors like Coinbase or let's see what else. There's Kraken, there's Crypto.com, there's KuCoin. There's just a ton of other platforms that offer more variety of cryptos to buy from. And because of this lack of variety of cryptos, it really hampers Robinhood's ability to earn revenue from the trading of cryptos. You saw what Dogecoin could done for Robinhood in the last quarter, when Dogecoin was hyped up, when everyone was talking about it, when Aion was tweeting all about it, and it just blew up. And then there's rumors and talks of getting Dogecoin to $1. Never happened, but still, all that was a boon to Robinhood. It demonstrates that if there's a ton of volume on a crypto, then they're gonna make out like robbers, bank robbers. They make a lot of money. Simple as that. But unfortunately, like I said, they have a limited selection, so they're not able to reap the rewards. If crypto trading suddenly increases for another crypto that's not on their platform, like Shiba Inu, the next dog coin that's very popular right now. Lots of trading, lots of hype, but Robinhood is seeing nothing from it because they don't have it on their exchange or on their app from the last time I checked, and from this article. I mean, there's even an advertisement for Shiba Inu right here, right now, on eToro, which is a competitor to Robinhood. So that could be fixed when they start adding more cryptos, so they can start catching some of that volume. But for now, the lack of variety is definitely a criticism that should be addressed. Otherwise, the Robinhood will be left behind as a crypto exchange platform. Now, let's take another look at the third reason why I'm a bit down on Robinhood. That's just besides the fact that they're not really making much money. The third big reason is sentiment. By sentiment, I mean, what do people think of Robinhood? And let's just first look at their user base. Robinhood's user base, on average, is 27 to 35 years old, so millennials. And probably some Gen Z in there, and maybe a few from Gen X. I don't think you'll see a lot of boomers on Robinhood, but you get what I'm trying to go for. They're aiming at a younger demographic. That's Robinhood's little niche that they formed. And we're gonna go to Reddit, which is famous for being a millennial Gen Z hub of social media, and we'll see what they have to say. We're just gonna look at the all-time top, and Class action lawsuit against RobinHood. People are accusing RobinHood of stealing from the poor to give to the rich. Good morning to everyone except RobinHood. This guy is flying banner stuck my almonds RobinHood. The hero read right now, F RobinHood. Or let's see if there's anything more flattering recently. So we'll sort by relevant. We did it. RobinHood's users count and revenue per user is no longer an uptrade. Wow, looks like he pulled a RobinHood and never purchased my GMA shares. Okay. RobinHood stock down 41% since August as amateurs stopped using it for stock and crypto trading, 8% less app downloads. Or RobinHood share tanks as revenues falls way short of expectations. So, just based on those titles alone, you can see that RobinHood is not popular with the demographic that they're trying to go for. And I believe that's just crippling in general. If you can't market or sell your product or get the person you're trying to use your product to use your product, then you don't have a business. And as you can see here, people just don't like RobinHood. They just have a bad reputation from the GME fiasco, and people have memed on their CEO for what he said at the hearing at Congress about this fiasco, and just people just complaining about RobinHood's usability as a platform. And if you want to hear the full story of GameStop and all those meme stocks from the SEE's perspective and conclusions, you can go look it up on se.gov. I'd actually recommend it. It's actually quite interesting, and you can see how they view it and what they believe in and the facts to support their evidence. But yeah, just an interesting read in general. I highly recommend it. If you're interested on some of the intricacies of trading and exchanges, like the fact that exchanges have to have capital for the clearing agency, right here, section 3.5. Yeah, like I said, highly recommend it just to read it, even if you are not interested in GameStop in general. Now back to RobinHood. So overall, the earnings were not that impressive to me, and there's some clear questions about RobinHood that I think that should be addressed, and stuff that could be improved, some more easier than others. But the fact that the reputation has been so severely damaged is one of, if not the biggest reason why I would not invest into this stock, even though its the stock price has been depressed a bit since the last month. Yeah. So in the comment section below, tell me what your guys' thoughts on RobinHood. Would you buy this stock after the results that they posted? Do you think RobinHood could turn it around? I mean, there's a possibility they could turn it around. There's some things they could fix easily, but reputation is something hard to build. And I'd also like to give a shout out to CJ Investing. You should check out his content and see what he has to say on some of this type of stuff. And I believe he has some cool short videos for you to watch. And he even has a longer video on Aion, which was a touted meme stock in 2020, one of the green SPACs, which I believe hasn't done as well recently. So go check out this guy. He has some good stuff. And that's basically it. I hope you guys have a great day, and just have fun, I guess.